Hey team, so we are doing coloring halves today. So when we color one half of something, it's like pretend you have a candy bar and you want to share it with your friend. You want to make sure that you cut it in half and that it's fair. So sometimes there's two pieces and you just give each person just one of the halves. But sometimes if you have four pieces, to make it fair, you would give each person two. So this first circle, if we're just coloring half, we're just going to color just like this. Okay, so even though this next circle has four pieces, we're still coloring just one half like this. Okay, so find each shape and color half. And don't let those ones with four trick you, because so like if I were to color just this box, that's not coloring half, that's only coloring 1/4. So we want to color in all of the box to make sure that we're coloring in half. And if you notice, this circle down here actually has lots of different slices to it, but we still only want to color in just this one half right here. Very good. Nice job, boys and girls. So even though these shapes are trying to trick us, we're not letting them trick us because we're coloring in one half of each one of these. Okay, this one's pretty easy because we're just coloring that right there. Color this half. Color half here. And half there. Very good, boys and girls. You did an awesome job on this side. So let's look on the back. We're going to be practicing our doubles facts. And so then we're practicing our doubles facts. And so if our doubles fact adding equals something, then we can know that if it's subtracting, then it gets the same number. So the first one, for example, says, if 4 plus 4 equals 8, then 8 minus 4 equals 4. So the next one says, if 5 plus 5 equals 10, then 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, let's do another one together. If 8 plus 8 is 16, then 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, so if 10 plus 10 is 20, then 20 minus 10 is 10. So let's do 9 plus 9 together. What's 9 plus 9? That's 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. If 2 plus 2 is 4, then 4 minus 2 is 2. And I want you to give the rest of these a try. There's only 8 more. And you know your doubles facts really well. So give those a try and then turn it into your teacher. Good job today, boys and girls.